what's the best way people can shed fat and build muscle?
So, steady state fasted cardio there's something called 30-30-30 that...
you taught me that.
Yeah, that, Tim Ferriss wrote a whole book on this.
Yeah.
One of my favorite authors. It's 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking, followed by 30 minutes of steady state cardio exercise. So that'll strip fat off your body. My preferred way is to actually do fasted steady state cardio, but I take amino acids beforehand.
Okay.
So the only thing, there's a blend of perfect aminos by Dr. Minkoff that I'll take in the morning. On my weight days, I make sure that I'm fed whenever I'm lifting heavy.
Okay, so you don't like lifting fasted. Is there any benefits to doing that, or in your opinion?
There's laws to the way that the body burns energy. Like there's physical laws to how the body burns energy, and there's no exception to these rules.
Yeah.
Right. The first one is if you have glucose in the bloodstream, your body will burn glucose first.
Yeah.
When you're out of glucose, you go to your backup reserve of energy, which is called glycogen. You have about a 20-minute reserve of glycogen. So if you're exercising intensely in a fasted state, you've got no glucose, you got 20 minutes of glycogen. After your glycogen is gone, now the question is, we'd love to think that the body goes right to burning fat, but that's not true. It takes 5 to 6 hours to mobilize and metabolize fat. Wow. It takes 3 minutes to mobilize lean muscle tissue. So where do you think, if you're exercising intensely in a fasted state, where do you think you're getting energy? You're burning your own lean muscle. If you look at triathletes, sometimes they'll look skinny fat, right? They'll be really lean and squishy because they spend a lot of time getting energy from their own muscle tissue. Most people, when they say, I want to lose weight, what they're really saying is, I want to lose fat. So if you want to lose fat, you have to exercise to lose fat. If you're fasted, you want to take amino acids, full spectrum amino acids before you work out so that you're not burning lean muscle.